Hey everybody. Morning, good afternoon, good evening. Think positive as always. Here's a question that I got from Franco. Franco is saying, well, I would like to use the map, but I don't want the map to be changing this field or that field or this other field, etc., etc., etc. So let's play around with this one. So right now in the address 1, we have 123rd Main Street, Seal Beach, California, etc., etc., etc. If I type something here, let's just select that one. You can see that this changed. Okay. If I don't know, do something else, you can see that this changed and that changed. And in your particular case, you don't want this to be changing. So what you do is the following. Let's just click here on the magnifying glass so we can see the widgets. I remember that the one that actually control which other fields get changed was the widget for the map. So it's this specific one. So let's click on that one and let's go back here. So we go to normal mode instead of development mode. Okay, so we're here. Okay, and we want to edit this widget, Bootstrap theme form member location, member Google location. Okay, let's edit that one. And everything that is related to this map triggering changes to these fields, it's actually in the JavaScript tab. And it's actually this one that handles all the input fields. Actually, it says it there. The mapping array to know what address component, blah, 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 pam, pam, pam. This one basically has an array of all the input fields that are going to be changed every time you change the map. So we go down here and there's address 1. See? Okay, so you can do two things here. You can either remove it like that, okay, and save it, and you're done. Or what I normally recommend in case you want to go back is comment it out like this. That way you don't delete it and it's still there, but it's not going to be executed or used. So just let's save that again. As always, refresh your cache. Please, for the love of God, change that. Refresh live website confuses the hell out of people. It should say refresh site cache or clear site cache or something. And now we're going to refresh here. And let's do the test, the same test. Voila, I click there and you can see that it's not changing this one. Okay, let's do 902.10.10. Really? Well, anyway, let's go over there. Yeah, it's not changing that one. Let's go to Sydney. I'm everywhere now. There you go. See? It's not changing that one. Let's go to Peter something. It's not changing this one. Okay? That's it. I'll repeat the whole thing. You edit the widget for this one, which is the Bootstrap theme form member Google location. You go to the JavaScript, and that's where you go to this specific variable, and you just comment this out or you delete it. And that's all. That's all that you gotta do. Hope the video helps. Big hugs to everybody. Please subscribe and leave a like or comments because the channel looks like a ghost town. Okay, big hugs to everybody and think positive. Bye.